Have you ever dreamt of creating an ebook but felt intimidated by the process? Fear not, the age of artificial intelligence, AI, has arrived, offering a powerful tool in Google Bard to streamline ebook creation for free. This guide will unveil the exciting potential of Google Bard, transforming you from an ebook novice to a content maestro. Buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of crafting a captivating ebook with minimal effort. The power of prompts. Specificity is key. The magic of Google Bard lies in its ability to respond to your prompts. However, the quality of the output hinges on how specific you are. Instead of a broad request like write an ebook on making chocolate, hone in on a particular niche, such as sugar-free chocolate delights. The more precise your prompt, the more relevant and valuable the content Bard will generate. From brainstorming to outline, charting your ebook's course. Now that you're armed with a basic understanding of Google Bard's capabilities, let's embark on the exciting journey of crafting your ebook. The first step involves a healthy dose of brainstorming. Jot down potential ebook topics that pique your interest and align with your expertise. Don't be afraid to get creative. Perhaps you possess a unique perspective on gardening or a passion for mastering the art of sourdough bread baking. Once you've generated a short list, delve deeper into market research. Tools like Google Trends and social media listening platforms can provide valuable insights into current market trends and identify potentially lucrative niches. Remember, the goal here is to create an ebook that not only resonates with your passion, but also addresses a genuine need within a specific audience. With a promising niche identified, it's time to delve into the challenges your target audience faces. Here's where Google Bard truly shines. Simply prompt Bard with a question like, what are the biggest roadblocks people encounter when trying to achieve your niche's goal? This simple query unlocks a treasure trove of information. By understanding the pain points and aspirations of your readers, you can tailor your ebook's content to provide genuine solutions and valuable insights. Now comes the magic: crafting a comprehensive ebook outline. Imagine a roadmap that guides you through the various chapters, ensuring your ebook flows seamlessly from introduction to conclusion. Here, Google Bard transforms into your personal blueprint architect. Prompt Bard to create an ebook outline for your chosen niche, aiming for a length of around 5,000 words. This sweet spot ensures your ebook offers substantial content without overwhelming your readers. Additionally, request at least 10 lesser-known pieces of advice to make your ebook stand out from the plethora of generic content already saturating the market. Chapter by chapter breakdown, building your ebook. Brick by brick. With a well-defined outline in hand, it's time to translate your blueprint into captivating chapters. Google Bard becomes your tireless construction crew, ready to build upon the foundation you've laid. Break down your outline into individual chapters, focusing on one at a time. Prompt Bard to create the content for each chapter, ensuring it aligns with the overall theme and addresses the specific challenges identified in your research. Remember, collaboration is key. Don't hesitate to refine the content Bard generates. Inject your unique voice and expertise, sprinkle in relevant anecdotes or case studies, and don't shy away from adding your personal touch. Once you're satisfied with the content for a chapter, seamlessly export it to a Google Doc for further editing and formatting. Utilize the plethora of formatting tools available in Google Docs to enhance readability and add visual appeal. Consider incorporating images, infographics, or even short video clips to further engage your audience and break up text-heavy sections. Multilingual marketing magic. Expanding your reach. Here's a bonus tip for the ambitious entrepreneur lurking within you. Do you possess the gift of multilingualism? Leverage Google Bard's translation capabilities to unlock a global audience for your ebook. Translate your meticulously crafted content into other languages, reaching a wider audience and exponentially increasing your income potential. Imagine the possibilities. Your travel guide on budget backpacking through Southeast Asia could be enjoyed by both English and Spanish-speaking adventurers, or your guide to mastering the art of sourdough baking could tantalize the taste buds of French and German pastry enthusiasts. Translating your ebook can be as simple as prompting Bard with a request like, translate this chapter into Spanish, or convert this section into French. Remember, the key to success lies in providing exceptional value to your readers. So unleash your creativity, embrace the power of AI, and embark on your ebook creation journey today.